Hey, welcome to Jonez Garage. I just want to do like a little behind the scenes video. I just got done recording my last episode and I made a huge mess in here. So I'm just gonna walk around, clean stuff up, show you guys what tools and stuff I use, and show you guys a little bit around the garage. Yeah, so last episode I recorded, I got the engine installed, transmission, energy suspension, engine mounts, got the driver door, fender. Now I need to get the hood put back on. Then I can start messing with this fender. That's gonna be the next episode I'm gonna do. Hood will be put on and then messing with this fender. You can see it's actually longer. This fender is a 1/4 inch longer um, from here to here than this driver fender. And like I said in a previous video, that fender is off. It said 65 on the inside of it when I pulled it off. It was on this car when I bought it, but this car's a 64, so I don't know if that's off. I don't know what that's off of, a Ranchero or could be a wagon or something. I don't know if those have different size fenders or if a 65 just came with a bigger fender. I don't know. And also, I mean, this one had like a antenna hole. I think someone cut that in there, but this car had an antenna on the back. I welded it in, so I don't know what one comes with a antenna on the front, or maybe that was added. I don't know. So I mean, this car is just 64. So, but yeah, I made a mess in here. This away, tools all over. I want to redo this list too. I have a to-do list and stuff. I got a lot of stuff scratched off, and it kind of got unorganized. So I want to take care of that. Put all this stuff away on the tool cart. These are some of my favorite air tools. Aircat. Every year they do this 12. Well, the last couple years they've done this the 12 days of Christmas on Instagram and Facebook, and um, I won an air ratchet from them one year. My buddy won something too, so follow them on Instagram. And I'm not sponsored nothing by them, but on Instagram, 12 days of Christmas, they always you just like all you have to do is like leave a comment or comment a buddy's name or something, and you could win a tool. These are all the Aircat tools I have: air saw, little die grinder, cutoff wheel, right angle grinder, another cutoff wheel, another cutoff wheel. I haven't even used this one yet. Um, Air ratchet, and then a 1/2 inch ratchet. I also have some Cornwell air tools. I got 3/8 impact and a Cornwell air hammer. And I also use Onyx, Astro, Nibbler, and it's an Onyx belt sander. This belt sander is really nice. I want to get the Aircat one, but this one works fine, so I have no need to get one yet. It's been a while since I've organized everything. I like to keep stuff pretty organized, but once you start working and stuff, it gets out of hand. And your toolbox runs out of room. That's all my air tools. Oh, I got one more. Over here, my little fabrication area. I still got to clean up my mess from making those washers for the 4-link. I kind of forgot about all this over here, but so yeah, I just got to tidy up around this place. Just had some issues with my phone. It keeps saying storage is full. I deleted a whole bunch of videos and it's still saying it, so I had to restart everything. Filming all this stuff with an iPhone isn't the best, but it's what I got for now. So, oof. You get other pliers. I stick a magnet to my drill press so I can just stick the key right to it. And I always put the key right back so I don't lose it. I've had this Milwaukee hole saw kit for a real long time. I've just replaced one, the 3/4 inch, and I just replaced it this year. But I've drilled a whole bunch of stuff like metal, wood, plastic. I mean, plastic's easy, but it's a decent set. It was cheap too. The weird thing with YouTube, a video like this is probably gonna get more views than the ones of me working on the car. Like every time I think something's gonna, get a whole bunch of views, I'm like, oh, this one I did, I have a lot of time editing and stuff. Like I feel real good about it, and then nothing. But then something like this, I'm just like over here cleaning my garage and stuff. Like it's gonna like blow up or something. Real weird. I'm trying to figure this all out. This whole YouTube and TikTok. Same thing with like TikTok and Instagram and then YouTube Shorts. Like I'll post the same exact short or reel on all three, and only one of them will like blow up, and the other ones it just does average. It's so weird, and you would think it would blow up on a different one, but I don't know. Way better over here now. This 2x4 I got to return to Menards. When I bought that piece of aluminum, I bought this 2x4 as well. I saran wrapped the piece of aluminum to the board so it wouldn't fly out of my truck. It probably wouldn't have, but that piece is pretty light, so I just wanted some extra weight. So I saran wrapped it, and then I was like, I'll just return it later. So, but here it sits. It's probably been 2 weeks now, but I'll bring it back. My sockets, I got a whole bunch of random. I got stuff from Gear Wrench, Cornwell, Tech Tecton. I don't know, some another cheap brand. I like my Gear Wrench ones though. They fit nice on all the nuts and bolts. I got these rails off Amazon. They're really nice. Like stuff stays on them. These slide around. Um, even like with my impact sockets, I mean, the heavier ones fall off. We'll see. How you shake it. I've had a couple fall off, but overall, they stay on. My ratchets, I like Gear Wrench. I got a whole bunch of different brands, but um, Gear Wrench seems to be my favorite. I got some Craftsman too, torque wrenches. Extensions, all my extensions are Gear Wrench as well. This must just be an extra. I don't know where this one went. And then wrenches, I use the gear wrench and then just some Menards Master Force I got just for when I want to beat on the wrench or something. But then you got to have your vice grips. Can never have enough vice grips. I got all different sizes, different different kinds. Get these huge Milwaukee ones. I thought I'd use these more. I bought these and I haven't even used them yet, but I'm gonna need them. These clamps always come in handy. Always using these. Two different sizes. It's got an off-brand heat gun. I'd like to get the Milwaukee one, the battery-powered Milwaukee heat gun, but this one works fine, so I haven't gone and got it. I'd rather buy car parts than tools that I already have a tool that works. So I keep all my extra parts. Put these on in the last video. I like to just save the box in case I take the engine back out and want to put them back in their box so they stay in good shape. This is all the original hardware that was on the car. I save everything. Everything I took apart, I labeled it, put it in a box. I got one box for exterior, one box for interior. Like I got the ignition, and then even when I take the hardware out to put it back on the car, or if sometimes I'll take the hardware out to compare it to new hardware, know what to buy and stuff. But I still keep the bags, and then when the stuff comes back off, I put it right back in the bag. Or I'll get a new bag, and sometimes this bag gets buried, but it helps out a lot. Like door handles, I even write like what, driver door. It just makes it way easier. I got all these DeWalt cases. I label them like this is stainless steel hardware. I keep a lot of nuts, bolts, or miscellaneous stuff, fuses, electrical connectors, air tool fittings. I even got some like home stuff. But these things work great. I'm a big fan of Milwaukee, so like I got these before all the pack out and stuff. But these went on sale, so like for Black Friday, I think I picked up these for like $10 a piece or something. They're originally like 30 or something, and the pack outs are just way more money, but those work good. I'm done with this thing, so I can put this away. This comes in handy a lot. I like that I put the winch on it. Like I bought a snowblower and I was able to just hook this up and get it out of the bed. Like then I drove the truck forward and then I could just use the winch to lower it. I'm probably gonna modify it in the future. Some people had a good point, like put a actual hoist on there because then it's got a brake, and then put a ring up here, like put the hoist back there, and put like a car battery. But this is just a nice cheap solution. It does the job. Yeah, right here, I want to put some pallet racking because then I can put, I got this rotisserie. Like it'd be nice to get that all up there. Then this engine stand, and that engine hoist. Even I got like a portable sandblaster. Like, I mean, I rarely use that. Like that stuff could all be up here. Like, um, so that's my plan. I'm gonna get some pallet racking. Looking a lot better in here. I just got a couple extra things I gotta do. Bought some hardware yesterday, so I'm gonna put it away. Um, Standard. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me while I clean my garage. If you haven't yet, check out the Ford Falcon Restoration Series playlist. I got 17 episodes. It's Sunday, so the 17th one just dropped today. But I'll see you guys every Sunday. Please like, comment, and subscribe.